Hi folks, this is Christine Lior-Locher and I wanted to talk about some of the things related to making change. When you're trying to make something new, that means having to let go of something that's old. Sorry, you're not going to be, you have two hands, you're not going to be able to hold everything at the same time without putting something else down and then freeing up the space to take up something new. I think a lot of people have done a fair bit of decluttering during lockdown. That is a really good idea of life, of things. The easier you are set up, the more flexible, the lighter you travel, the easier it will be to move. If and when, as and when a move is coming your way. So do make that a regular practice. So for example, for me, you can see I've got like way too many books, but if I read a paperback book and I don't want to keep it, I have a bag that's for donation and I put it in there immediately. So those can be good things to do and keeping on top of your things. The other thing is, as you're clearing out, do set yourself a deadline. If you're planning to sell something on eBay, if you haven't gotten rid of it within a certain time frame, get rid of it anyways, because otherwise you'll be turning the decluttering into a side industry that is going to keep you from doing what you actually want to do, which is bring the new thing in, and probably not to start a selling used goods business. If that's what you want to do, more power to you, go for it, but most people are not quite in that space. So do declutter and don't make it an industry. Just keep it nice and simple and make it a regular thing.